Hello there, lovely people. Welcome to Fahad Web Lab. I'm Taimur, and today we're going to learn how to make a WordPress header and banner from scratch using the fantastic tool, Elementor. So let's dive right into it. Before we start our project, if by default you're seeing these, you can go to Settings and select Elementor Canvas from Page Layout. So now you have the fresh Elementor canvas. To add a section, click on the plus icon, select a structure. I'm going to select this. From the section edit, choose the full width. Now let's style the section. Go to Style tab. In the background type, choose Classic. In the color, click on the right side. You have a color picker. You can add your color code. So you can see the section is now having a background. Now we want our logo on the left side and our menus on the right side. Click on the grid icon, drag the inner section to the header section. Do the same with the width, select full width. So you can see in the section you have two more columns. You can easily see your layers by clicking the navigator button. And as you can see, this is the section, and in the section, there is an inner section. And in that inner section, there is two columns. So I think you are getting the layout. So let's now add a logo. Click on the grid icon. Close the drop down until you find the Elementor header footer builder. Select site logo, drag and drop on the left side. Toggle the custom image on and hover here and choose image. You can see this is your media library. Currently we have no files here. So to add file, just simply drag and drop your file like this. The files are uploading. All files uploaded, and you can select the files like this. So I'm selecting the logo. Now click on the select button. You can see we have our logo. Go on the style tab. In the width, select the pixel property and you can resize your logo according to your choice or your design. So I'm gonna have 200 pixel, but we have to align the logo on the left side. So to do that, go back to the content. In the alignment, select left. And we have our logo on the left side. Now we have to add our menu on the right side. Go to the, click on the grid icon. Go back to the header and footer builder. Drag the navigation menu and drop it on the right side. You can see we're having some links here or menus here. These are the menu I have created from the WordPress dashboard. To learn how to make custom menus, watch this video. So we have to style our menus. Go to Style. In the typography, click this. In the font family, you can choose your desired font. I'm choosing the Poppins. And font weight, I'm choosing normal. Now close this typography. And in the text color, choose your text color. I'm choosing like this. Okay. Now you can see the text hover is green, but we don't want the green. We have our own theme color. So we are choosing this color. Copy the color and click on the hover. The text color, instead of the green, paste your color. So now we have the hover color. So active color is now same as the hover color. You can keep the same or you can change. So for now, I'll keep it as it is. You can see our menu is not aligned vertically and to the right. So to do that, click on this column, or from the navigator, click on this column. In the column edit, choose the vertical align to middle. Now select the menu and open the layout. In the alignment, choose the right. So now if we compare it to our design, you can see the header, everything has a space on the left and right side, also on the top and bottom. So to give space, click on the section, the main section here, from the navigator or from here. By clicking this, go to the advanced tab. In the in padding, choose pixel property, and before give any padding, make sure you unlink the value, so you can add padding each side separately. I'm gonna select person property. On the right, I'm gonna put 8%. On the left, also 8%. And on the top, let's add 2%. And on the bottom, also 2%. So now let's move on to making our banner. Add a section, same, full width. Drag the inner section. Before that, you can style the section. Click here, style, choose background color. Paste. Add the same spacing in the banner also. So percent, top 2, bottom 2, right 8, left 8. So now you can drag the inner section, select full width. On the left side, we have to add our heading and our all contents. Drag the heading property here. We have our heading. In the contents, change the heading text. We're gonna use our design text. Now, in the style tab, in the text color, paste your text color. In the typography, I'm gonna choose the Poppins again. And for the font width, I'm gonna choose black, which is 900. You can adjust your text size and the line height. But as you can see, our design has a order of the text. On the first row, it's subscribe now, and on the second row, to our newsletter. To do that, it's a bit tricky, but trust me, it will be easy when you know that. In the content, in the title box, after the now, add a HTML tag, which is dr, like this. And adjust the text size a little bit. Now you can see we are having that heading as it is in the design. But one more thing we have to do is color the bottom text to white. Let me correct the text first. To color the bottom text separately, come back to the title box, select the text, cut the text, add a HTML tag called span, starting tag, and make a closing tag like this, and paste your text in the span. And in the span, do like this: style, color, colon, semicolon, and paste your color code. This is the white color code. Now we have our separate color on the heading. Now let's add our paragraph. From here, you can see the text editor, but make sure it's in the left column, not like this. Like this. You can see this is a demo text. So let me increase the text length a bit. A little bit more. Like this. Let's add some spacing. Go to the Advanced tab. In the margin, unlink the value. On the top, add some margin. I'm gonna add 15 pixel. Now let's choose the text color. Like this. Okay. Now we have our paragraph. So now let's add a button. Drag the button and paste it below the paragraph like this, and change your button text in the text input. Like this. And in the style, let's choose the background color of the button. So this is the background color. This color. For the text color of the button, click on the text color. And I'm gonna choose this color for the text. So in the content, you can choose your button size, medium, large, etc. I'm gonna choose medium for now. Add a little bit margin on the top. Now we have our content for the banner. Now let's add a thumbnail on the right side of the banner. Drag the image property here. Choose your image. I'm gonna choose this. You can see images here. Go to style. Choose pixel. Now you can play with this width. I'm gonna make it like this. Now let's add other images. Put the image in here. But this time our image is a little bit different. These are not static images. These are absolutely positioned images. Go to the advanced. In the position, choose position absolute. So you can drag the image anywhere you want in the page. Now choose your image. I'm gonna choose this one. Like this. Adjust your width. And go to style. Choose pixel. And adjust the width. Adjust the size. But make sure you put the absolute image in this column. So this column will be relatively related to the image. Put it like this, and if you want to move the images, go to advanced and use the offset properties to place your image. So let's duplicate this image, put it in the box so it's become relative to that. Change the image, choose another one like this, play with the offset, and duplicate again, change the image, and play with the offsets. So simple. Now, as you can see, we need full height for the banner to cover the whole page. To do that, select the banner section. In the layout, in the height, choose min height. And in the min height, choose VH, means view height. And you can play with the view height. Like this. Now you can see our page is covered by our header and banner. You can review the site by clicking the publish. And it will take you to a new page. In here, you can only see, but you cannot edit. But as you can see on the bigger screen, when the screen size is becoming bigger, the content is changing itself. Especially this one, the paragraph. Because the width is using the percentage property right now, that's why we have to give a fixed width. Go to advanced, width. In the width, select custom width, and the width, select pixel property. Now you can adjust your width like this, and you can see now it's fixed. It's not moving by making the screen bigger. Now perfection your site according to your design and your test. Now you can say your site is ready. So congratulations, you have successfully made your first header and banner using the Elementor. Thanks for staying with us. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one.